Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ProChem Academy. Now in today's video I will discuss about the syllabus of class 11 chemistry. That means same syllabus for the NEET aspirants and for the JEE also, and also same syllabus for the ISC, CBSE and West Bengal board students. Okay, so today I will introduce the syllabus. What are the chapters I am going to cover in this course, and the syllabus of class 11. Now, and what you have to do, how you have to approach to your study, that one I will tell you. Now just begin with the syllabus. The first chapter of your syllabus is the basic concept of chemistry. Basic concept of chemistry. Now this chapter includes your normal basic concept of chemistry that is required for the chemistry practical also. So actually this chapter is the basic chapter, and this is also cover your practical one. So also cover your knowledge about the practical. Here we will discuss about the molarity, normality, formality, about how to prepare the solution, about the equivalent weight, about the molecular weight, about percentage composition. That one we will discuss in this chapter, basic concept of chemistry. Now the second chapter is the atomic structure. And it is very vital chapter, and it is the most important chapter of your class 11. You have to read it properly, this chapter class 11, otherwise you cannot go to the other chapters. Here we will discuss about the atoms, basic history of the atoms, how the atomic structure progress, Rutherford atomic theory. Before that we have to start from the that means the history of the atomic structure we will discuss first. Normal history, how the atom, what came from the from your philosopher Carnot, after that Democritus, after that William Crookes has recognized about the electrons, that means your cathode ray experiment, then anode ray experiment, then J.J. Thomson experiment, that pampering model, after that Rutherford experiment, gold foil experiment, after that your drawback of Rutherford experiment, that after that Bohr's theory. Bohr's theory means how the electronic transition are there, about the orbits, about the angular momentum, MDR equal NH by 2 pi, about the energy, what will be the energy of the electron which present in the hydrogen like orbit, or what is the radius of that orbit we will discuss. About after that your Sommerfeld theory, small we will discuss. After that what is the quantum number, what will be the orbitals, some theories are there, Pauling exclusion principle, those theories we have to discuss. We have to know about the orbitals, S, P, D, F orbitals we will learn in this chapter. That is very important chapter, and this will give you about the idea of the orbital and how you write the electronic configuration, not according to the orbit, that means not according to a K, L, M orbit, but according to the S, P, D, F orbital. So 1:2, 2:2 basic, this one we will learn in this chapter. So very important chapter. Number 3 is your periodic properties. Now periodic properties. Now first of all I am writing like this. After that I will classify this one into the inorganic, organic and physical. Now you can take these two chapters, as your general chemistry. General chemistry. But you can learn this one in inorganic also, and you have to learn in physical also. So these two are general chemistry. Atomic structure you need in inorganic also and physical also. So periodic properties. Periodic property is the chapter of inorganic chemistry. You know that in class 11 you have to divide your book in 3 portions. General chemistry in 4 portions actually: general chemistry, inorganic, organic and physical. So this is the general chemistry. Atomic structure also you can take in general chemistry, but it required in also in inorganic, also in physical. The electronic configuration you record in the organic also. So that is very important chapter. Periodic properties. Here we will learn the extra thing what you have learned in class 10. about electronegativity, atomic radius, why the atomic radius changes from period to group. Trend you have learned, I think, that atomic radius top to bottom increases and left to right decreases, but why this one increases and decreases. Okay, electronegativity, why it is changes from one to another. About the orbital concept you have to explain. Screening effect, inert pair effect we will discuss here in this periodic properties. Okay, next is chemical bonding. Next is chemical bonding. Now this chemical bonding is also the chapter of inorganic and is also very important. Now chemical bonding you used to learn in class 10 also, and there you have learned about the ionic bonding, covalent bonding, about NaCl, formation of NaCl, Lewis dot, water, nitrogen, those things you have learned, and just small concept of coordination chemistry you have learned. That means the about hydronium ion and ammonium ion you have learned, but only we know in class 11, class 10 only about the Lewis dot. That means how to represent the structure, how to represent the formula of the compound, how it is coming, how sodium chloride is forming. But Lewis cannot give any idea about the actual structure of the molecule. So that one we will discuss in this chapter. That one we will learn here by some theories, by Vesper theory and VBT, valence bond theory. Okay, so many things we have to learn here, and those are very important. VSEPR theory, valence bond theory, VBT, and molecular orbital theory, that is MO. These three are very important. Okay, we have to learn properly. These two are inorganic. Okay, next again you have to learn about states of matter. States of matter. Now you know this chapter is from the physical chemistry. You know that there are 5 states are there of a matter. Normal 3, that means your solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. These are the normal states, but other 2 are there, that is plasma state and Bose-Einstein condensed state. But here in class 11 only we will discuss about the liquid and the gas, that means liquid state and the gaseous state. This chapter is from the physical chemistry. This chapter is in the physical chemistry. Now again about the gas you have learned about Pv is equal to inert K, that means a normal ideal gas equation, but we have to go far from there. Okay, advanced study will be there in this too. Now thermodynamics, it is new one, thermodynamics. Okay, very important chapter for physical chemistry, very important chapter for physical chemistry, and the concept you have to clear properly. And this chapter deals with the how about the heat changes of a reaction. That means A plus B is forming to C plus D. That means 2 reactant is forming product. Now in that case heat is absorbing or heat is releasing, how it is changing. Okay, about the heat. So we will discuss about the thermo, that means by what you can see thermodynamics. Okay, very important chapter. Next is your chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium. And these all are very important for your NEET and JEE also. NEET and also for the board exam and also for NEET and JEE. Question will come from here. These chapters, that is Thomas given chapters. Okay, states equilibrium. Now from this chapter we all know that everything in our environment want to be in equilibrium. That means if we are in equilibrium, then we will be go proper. That means it is spontaneous. So normally every reaction want to be in equilibrium. Okay, so how it approaches to the equilibrium, why it will go into the equilibrium, that one we will discuss it. Okay, so this is very important. Now these 3 are actually from physical chemistry. These 4 are actually from physical chemistry. These 2 are actually from inorganic chemistry. Now next, again 2 or 3 chapters are there. See, from periodic table you know that periodic table can be classified in 4 portions: S block, D block, P block. Okay, and another one is there which is written at the bottom of the periodic table, that is F block elements, and those are lanthanoids and actinoids. So here we have to learn about S block, that means the groups, group 1 and 2. Okay, that means the elements which are present in group number 1 and 2, their compounds, their properties. Okay, we have to learn in S block. Okay, so S block is in our class 11 syllabus. S block elements. We have to learn all the things from S block elements. Now again, we will not learn D block elements, that means transition element like iron, scandium, titanium, vanadium. We will learn in class 12. It is not in your class 11 syllabus, it is in class 12 syllabus. Okay, but P block is there. P block elements are there, but you know that P block consists of from group number 13 to 18. Okay, so all the groups are not in our class 11 syllabus, only two groups are there, that is group number 13 and 14. So here we will learn only 13 and 14. Group number 13 and 14 we will learn in class 11. Now I think you have written. Next is that, next one important chapter is there where we will know about the valency, about the oxidation state. New word it is, that oxidation state, oxidation number, how to do the valence, how to do the your balance of a long chemical reaction, that one we will learn here. About the oxidation reduction process, that chapter is called Redox. That chapter is called Redox. That means redox reaction is nothing but you learn, it is nothing but the oxidation and reduction reaction. So that chapter, that advanced one, we will read here in Redox. Okay. Now this is also chapter from your inorganic. These three are the chapter of inorganic chemistry. Okay. So next, I'm just erasing this one, and this is also very important. This P block also very important. Okay. Now just I'm erasing. Next is that, next chapters will be the organic chemistry. Next chapter will be the organic chemistry, that is basic concept of, or basic principle is a basic concept of organic chemistry. Basic concept of organic chemistry. Okay, now this chemistry, this is the basic of organic chemistry. This is very basic and this is the very basic, that means you have to learn this chapter properly. Okay, so that we can know about the mechanism. Okay, you have to learn this chapter properly so that we can know about the mechanism and how the mechanism is going, how the reaction is going to the product. Okay, some words are there, nomenclature we will study here, about isomerism we will study here, about carbocation, carboanion, what are the effects that affect the reaction. Okay, that we will study here. Okay, next is that hydrocarbon, and hydrocarbon is also very important chapter, and here we will discuss about the reactions of organic compound hydrocarbon. Okay, hydrocarbon may be two types, we will discuss differently. One is aliphatic hydrocarbon, aliphatic, and another one is aromatic hydrocarbon. Now aromatic, you know about the benzene. Benzene is the aromatic compound, and aliphatic normal ethane, propane, butane, those are the aliphatic compound. Okay. Now next is that your environmental chemistry. It is very easy. Normally it is easy chapter. Environmental chemistry. So total 70 marks will be covered in this. Total 70 marks will be covered here only. Okay. So these are the chapters. Is there in your syllabus. Okay. Now, so I think you have understood that what are the inorganic chapters, organic chapters, and physical chapters. Just let me classify that. So your in inorganic, you will learn only periodic properties, chemical bonding, periodic properties, chemical bonding, S block, redox, P block, and atomic structure you can add here. Then in all physical, you will learn states of matter, that is liquid and gas, states of matter. Number 2, your thermodynamics, chemical equilibrium. Okay, these two. And organic, you have to learn basic concept of organic chemistry, hydrocarbon in class 11. Okay, and before this you have to learn the basic concept as a general. In general, you can say, in general, I'm just writing here, in general, the basic concept of chemistry, and atomic structure. Okay, so like this. So how to approach the total, this full syllabus? This is very long syllabus. We will not study that is individually 1, 2, 3 how in your book it is written. Like that we will not study. So what will happen if you study like that? What will happen after some days or some months? What you will see, your only one portion is covered, but other portion is not covered. That means if inorganic will be covered, but physical already not covered. So individually one chapter we have to finish first. So first of all we will start from the atomic structure, because it is very important. This basic concept will be covered in some day. Okay. Next we will discuss one inorganic chapter, periodic properties. Okay. Then one physical chapter, states of matter. Then one organic basic concept. Okay. Then we start from chemical bonding, thermodynamics, hydrocarbon. Like that. S block. Then Redox can be done. Like that we will go. But we have to plan properly. Okay. So today's video is up to this. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment on the comment box. So thank you, students. So today's video is up to this. Thanks.